Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start the color change at a clear hinge, finish the last stitch in the current yarn, but stop before completing the final yarn over. Once done, drop the old yarn, leaving a 6/8-inch tail for weaving later, and pick up the new color. Make sure to hold the new strand so tension matches the fabric. Insert hook, yarn over with the new color, and pull through to complete that stitch. This locks the color in place and prevents a visible gap. Once the new color is active, trap both tails by crocheting over them for 1 or 2 stitches. This hides ends and keeps the edge smooth. If you're changing mid-row, twist the 2 yarns together on the wrong side for a neat join, then continue crocheting so tension stays consistent. Make sure to maintain stitch count as you go. A dropped or added stitch will distort the pattern. Later, weave tails into matching color rows to secure and keep the fabric flat. When you near completion, fasten off the last yarn and weave all tails into the fabric using a blunt needle. This prevents unraveling and cleans the color transitions. Then block the piece to even out tension and settle any small color ridges. If you see a gap at a join, don't undo rows, pick up the adjacent loops and slip stitch, or add a small mattress stitch on the wrong side to close it, which preserves pattern continuity and keeps the visible side neat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.